If you ever dreamed of retiring early, working less, or building income streams that make money even while you sleep, then this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down 5 powerful passive income ideas in the USA that are actually working in 2025, backed with real data from sources like MSCI, Forbes, Time, and more. And at the end, I'll show you a sample plan combining these streams so you can see what early retirement could look like for you. Let's get started. Idea number 1, dividend-paying stocks and AMP, high-dividend ETFs. Dividend investing is one of the most reliable passive income strategies in the US. Millions of Americans use dividends to fund retirement, and in 2025, it's still going strong. According to the MSCI USA High Dividend Yield Index, high-dividend US stocks returned approximately 817.7% cumulatively between 2010 and 2025, slightly outperforming the broader US equity market over the same period. That level of performance plus regular income equals a powerful combo. How much can you earn? If you invest $10,000 into a high-dividend ETF paying approximately 3.5% yield, that's $350 per year, and it compounds if you reinvest it. Pros: very passive, low-cost, historically strong return. Idea number 2, real estate crowdfunding and AMP, REITs. Real estate is a classic path to wealth, but not everyone wants to deal with tenants or mortgages. That's why crowdfunding and REITs have exploded in popularity. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you start with as little as $500, and you earn income from rents and property appreciation. According to Investopedia, REITs often yield around 4% or more, making them a strong passive income option. Pros: real estate income without landlord work, relatively stable payouts. Cons: crowdfunded deals may be illiquid. Property markets are cyclical. Idea number 3, high-yield savings accounts and CDs. This is the most boring idea on the list, but also the safest. High-yield savings accounts and CDs are FDIC insured and provide guaranteed returns, making them great for emergency funds or low-risk passive income. In 2025, Time reports that US banks are offering around 3.5% AP on certain CDs. Pros: safe, liquid, for savings accounts, zero maintenance. Cons: lower returns compared to stock CD, penalties for early withdrawal. Idea number 4, YouTube and content automation. YouTube is one of the most scalable passive income opportunities today, and you're already on the platform. Even without being the face of your channel, you can build faceless channels, outsourced editing, AI-assisted scripts, evergreen content. In 2025, US creators earn an average of $5 to $15 per 1,000 views, RPM, after YouTube's cut. And CPMs in specific niches like finance, real estate, and tech can reach $10 to $40. Income example: a channel with 100,000 views per month at a $10 RPM equals $1,000 per month passively. Pros: scalable, works globally, multiple income streams, ads, affiliate, sponsors. Cons: takes time to grow, algorithm risk, need consistent content initially. Idea number 5, digital products, courses, templates, licensing. Digital products are one of the cleanest passive income streams because you make something once and sell it forever. According to Forbes, licensing digital assets, like music, designs, templates, and print on demand, remains a powerful passive income strategy in 2025. Examples of digital products: online courses, ebooks, Notion templates, stock photos, Adobe, Canva design templates, music tracks, and sound effects. Income example: sell a $15 template. Sell 100 per month equals $1,500 per month. Pros: highly scalable, low overhead, global reach. Cons: market competition requires marketing and platform strategy. Idea number 5, digital products, courses, templates, licensing. Digital products are one of the cleanest passive income streams because you make something once and sell it forever. According to Forbes, licensing digital assets, like music, designs, templates, and print on demand, remains a powerful passive income strategy in 2025. Online courses, ebooks, Notion templates, stock photos, Adobe, Canva design templates, music tracks and sound effects. Income example. Sell a $15 template. Sell 100 per month equals $1,500 per month. Pros: highly scalable, low overhead, global reach. Cons: market competition requires marketing and platform strategy. Total passive income approximately equals $26,500 per year, which can cover rent in low-cost states, groceries, basic living costs, or offset your full-time job to part-time. If you want more passive income breakdowns, business ideas, and early retirement strategies, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and comment which income stream you want to start first. And if you want the free Passive Income Starter Kit PDF, comment Pi 2025, and I'll send it to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.